Hey everyone, you've just received your shiny new Relay Bank debit card. You're eager to start using it, but there's a small hurdle: you need to activate it online. Don't worry, it's a simple process that we'll walk you through step by step. So, let's get started. Hook. Ever wondered why you can't just swipe your card straight out of the box? It's a security measure to protect your funds. Activating your card online is like unlocking a treasure chest. It gives you access to a world of convenience and financial freedom. Step 1. Visit the Relay Bank website. The first step is to head over to the Relay Bank website. You can find it by searching for Relay Bank in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the website, look for the Login or Activate Card button. It's usually located in the top right corner. Step 2. Enter your card details. You'll be prompted to enter your card details. This typically includes your card number, expiration date, and the last 4 digits of your social security number or equivalent. Double-check these details before proceeding to avoid any errors. Step 3. Create a strong password. You'll need to create a strong password to protect your account. Make sure your password is a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birthday or pet's name. Step 4. Verify your identity. Relay Bank may require you to verify your identity to ensure the card belongs to you. This could involve answering security questions or providing additional personal information. Make sure you have your personal documents handy to complete this step smoothly. Step 5. Complete the activation process. After verifying your identity, you'll be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of the Relay Bank service. Read through these carefully, as they outline your rights and responsibilities as a customer. Once you've agreed, click the Activate Card button to complete the process. Additional tips. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, don't panic. Most websites have a FAQ section or customer support contact information. Reach out to them for assistance. Security best practices: always keep your card details confidential. Never share your PIN with anyone, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Enjoy the benefits. Once your card is activated, you can start enjoying the convenience of cashless transactions. From online shopping to dining out, your Relay Bank card will be your trusty companion. Outro. And there you have it. Activating your Relay Bank card is a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. By following these steps, you'll be ready to start using your card for all your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Relay Bank or its services, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.